What's good, YouTube peeps and barbecue freaks? Thank you guys for stopping by today. Today's barbecue crawl takes me to Terry Black's in Austin, Texas. Now, Terry Black is part of the Black family out of Lockhart, Texas. However, they're not the same restaurant. Terry is the brother of Clint, who runs the Lockhart location. So they are related. However, Terry broke off from the family, opened up his own, and is doing things a little differently, but he's still making really good barbecue. So I was in the area. I decided to stop by. I did some filming, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Here you go.
All right, you guys, we are at Terry Black's barbecue in Austin, Texas. Let's head inside and try some of this huge. Besides, I went with pinto beans and mac and cheese. Got some jalapeno cheddar sausage, some turkey, and some brisket, the moist. I went ahead and just had them give me the end piece, so it's all burnt ends and not slices, which is a-okay with me. So that's what it looks like. So it's awfully loud in here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me or not, but there's a brisket, burnt in. Give it a shot. Really, really tender. Great flavor. That's good. Yes, sir, Bob. Very peppery, which is what a Texas brisket should be. We'll try the pinto beans. Definitely not in the top 5, but not horrible. But I've had way, way better. All right, let's try the mac and cheese. It's good. Not amazing, but it's good. Actually, the turkey is really why it came. I was craving turkey. So let's give it a shot. Look at that. It looks like it's seasoned well. It's definitely moist. Oh man. That's probably the most tender piece of turkey I've ever had. Man. And I love turkey. Tender. Lastly, I'm going to try the jalapeno cheddar sausage on a cracker. No cheese or hot sauce. Oh yeah. There's some heat there. I like it. That's good. Yeah, that's good. All right, so for the barbecue sauce, they have a original, a spicy, and a sweet. Give it a taste. three sauces, the spicy one, in my opinion, is the best one. The sweet one is good too, but it's almost like a mustard base, honey mustard based sauce. It's actually really good. I like the spicy one. Hey, how's it going, brother?
We're not quite halfway through, but we're getting there.
For later today or
For
tomorrow? Tomorrow.
Brisket tomorrow. The beef ribs will be later tonight. There's about an 8 or 9 hour cook on those. The brisket's still got a long ways to go. You know, 13 to 16 hour total cook time on these.
Nice. So how many do you cook a day? You guys cook a day here?
Depending on the
Roughly.
day, briskets anywhere from 80 up to 125.
Oh, wow.
Then we'll cook the majority of the beef ribs, all the pork ribs and turkeys and all that overnight. So these will get done by midnight-ish, let them rest a good long 8 hours or so.
Awesome. All right, you guys, I am done. Quick little recap. I had the turkey, sausage, and brisket. Now, I will say, I don't know how I did this, but I totally forgot to order some ribs. I wanted to try some ribs. In fact, I did ask for a rib, and then the guy asked me a question about something, and I got distracted and totally forgot to make sure that he put a rib on the plate. So I didn't get to try the rib. I'm really disappointed in that because I really wanted to try the rib. Anyway, the rest of it, the brisket was really good. It was tender and it was really peppery, which I like. That's the way a Texas brisket should be. The sausage was really spicy, and I like that. I like a spicy sausage. That one was excellent. The turkey was seasoned well and was probably the most tender piece of turkey I've ever had. It was really good. The sides, the beans, I wish I didn't get them because they were kind of disappointing. The mac and cheese, I would probably order that again. It wasn't anything amazing, just regular mac and cheese, and, you know, so it wasn't too bad. Overall, I really enjoyed the place, and I hope you guys did too. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. I hope you guys are enjoying these barbecue crawls, because I'm definitely enjoying making them. Besides, I could eat some good Q. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. Take care.